This emergency alert is sent for the entirety of Austin County. Due to the increase in R.M.V cases in the county, it has been decided to declare martial law after the Governor General of Texas has authorized martial law throughout the state. This means that now the National Guard will take general control of Texas and therefore of Austin. It is recommended that you do not go out unless it is really necessary. It is also recommended that you charge all your electrical devices, be it smartphones, computers, etc., because failures may occur in the electrical supply. Failures are also reported in mobile networks and with the water supply. We recommend that you have bottled or stored water to avoid lacking the vital liquid. It is also advisable to ration food due to that the food supply chain is suffering effects due to the chaos generated by the terminally ill RMV. On the roads and highways, the National Guard will also pass by every 6 days to distribute clothing, food, water, and other vitally important resources. For now, it is recommended that you be armed, prepared for any situation that may arise for you or your family and close people. Good luck to all.